Mastering the art of visualization. Techniques to manifest your dreams. Hey, have you ever daydreamed about living the life of your dreams, but just didn't know where to even start? I've been there too. It's like you want something, but it feels impossible to make it happen, right? I used to feel exactly like that. I had all these big goals, but had no clue how to turn them into reality. And then I came across this thing called visualization, and honestly, it completely changed everything. The more I pictured myself achieving my goals, the more I started noticing opportunities popping up everywhere. Little by little, I made those dreams come true. So here's the deal. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use visualization to actually manifest the life you've always dreamed of. It's pretty powerful stuff, and I'm excited to share it with you. One, what is visualization? Okay, so first things first, what is visualization? It's basically just the practice of creating a super clear mental picture of what you want to achieve. But it's not just like zoning out and imagining random stuff. It's about focusing on your goals and imagining them in vivid detail, as if they're already happening. Example. Here's a cool example. Athletes do this all the time. Before a race, a sprinter will actually picture themselves crossing the finish line first, feeling the rush of adrenaline, hearing the crowd cheer. They mentally rehearse it so much that when it's game time, they're totally ready. It's like a mental workout, too. The science behind visualization. So, you might be wondering, does this actually work? And the answer is yes. And here's why. Studies show that your brain can't really tell the difference between something that's actually happening and something you're vividly imagining. When you visualize your goal in detail, your brain activates the same neural pathways it would if you were actually doing it. And then there's this thing called the Reticular Activating System, or RS for short. It's like this filter in your brain that helps you focus on what's important. So when you visualize something clearly, your brain starts picking up on things that will help you achieve your goal even if you didn't notice them before. 3. Step-by-step visualization technique. Alright, so how do we actually do this? Here's a simple step-by-step guide to help you get started. Step 1, find a quiet space. First, find a comfy spot where you won't be interrupted. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and just try to clear your mind. No distraction. Step 2, imagine your goal. Now, picture yourself achieving your goal. Really try to see it clearly. What does it look like? What are you feeling? What does it smell like? What sounds do you hear? The more details, the better. The more real you can make it, the stronger the effect. Step 3, emotional connection. And here's the fun part. Connect with how it feels to achieve your goal. Imagine the joy, the excitement, and the gratitude you'll feel. This emotional connection is key because it makes it real for your brain. Step 4, consistency is key. Here's the thing. Consistency is everything. Even if you only spend 5-10 minutes a day doing this, make it a daily habit. Over time, it will start to shift your mindset and bring your goals into focus. 4, common mistakes to avoid now. A couple of things to keep in mind while you're visualizing, because there are a few common mistakes I want you to avoid. 1, being too vague. Don't just think, I want to be successful. Be super specific. What does success look like for you? Picture it in concrete terms, down to the details. 2, not taking aligned action. And here's the biggest one. Visualization is awesome, but it's not magic. You got to take real action in the world. Visualization helps you see the path, but you've still got to walk it. 5, visualization booster tips. Want to take your visualization practice to the next level? Here are a few extra tips to help you get there. 1, vision boards. Make a vision board. Grab some magazines or print out pictures that represent your goals and stick them on a board. Put it somewhere where you'll see it every day. It's a great way to keep your vision in sight. 2, guided meditations. If you have trouble focusing, use guided meditations. They can really help you get into a relaxed state and make your visualization more effective. 3, write it down. Journal about your visualizations. Write down what you saw, what you felt, and any little insights you got. This helps you stay engaged and makes the whole process even stronger. Let's recap of key points. To wrap things up, visualization is an incredibly powerful tool to help you manifest your dreams. By really visualizing your goals, connecting with the emotions around them, and staying consistent, you'll start to notice how your mind helps you find opportunities to make them real. Challenge you may face. Here's a little challenge for you. Try this visualization technique for the next 7 days. Just 5-10 minutes a day, focusing on one goal. Let me know how it goes in the comments. I'd love to hear your stories. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss more tips like this. Until next time, keep visualizing and go make those dreams happen. Thanks for watching. Check out these other videos on goal setting and manifestation for more inspiration.